Okay, sorry, that got cut off. So this leads to, or this means that the business will need to invest time developing an appropriate application form and therefore thereby reducing the time available for me to manage the business affairs. Okay, so that would have been giving you like 3 marks per disadvantage. Okay, so 6 marks in total. Now, of course, I'm going really extra. Like, I mean, you don't have to write every single thing that I wrote, okay, in so much detail. Like, you can get the marks a lot quicker. Anyway, you can have a look at the indicative content, anything that you think you wrote that is similar to that. That would have been fine. The example responses are that I will need to pay interest, which will increase the cost of borrowing and reduce my profit. So a lot quicker, I guess, and they still ensure the 3 marks. Or time consuming, as I will need to fill in an application form, which will reduce the time available to run my business. Okay, so that kind of idea. These are 2 good ideas to kind of think about when you're thinking about loans. Okay, disadvantages of loans. I've got to try my best to be quick, girls. I'm so sorry. Okay, so question 24. This is actually quite a difficult one because it's talking about a boom. Normally we think about booms in a positive light, but actually this time here we're not, okay? So analyze why an economic boom might have a negative impact on the development of my product. Now remember that when we think about product development, that means basically anything that has to do with making a product or thinking about making that product or basically designing it or thinking about the costs that we need to do. So anything that has to do with the product itself. Okay, product development is a really generic idea. Okay, so what I wrote is that an economic boom will mean that it becomes easier for individuals to find jobs or employment. Okay, so why is that? This is because employment levels are high during booms. Okay, so sorry. Okay, this leads. Oh, for God's sake, I'm so sorry. This leads to competition for recruitment. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say is that, of course, if we are, sorry, I can't spell, if we are if we got a lot of people that are looking for jobs, then they're going to go for and there are a lot of jobs available in the economy, and then these people here searching for employment, they're going to go for the job that pays them the best. Okay, therefore, okay, so if we know that they're all looking for like the best possible option, the business might need to offer higher salaries. And how does this impact the fact that they're offering higher salaries on product development? This means costs will rise, okay, and therefore less financing will be available for the development, let's say, of new products. This is a difficult question, girls, but this is a nice way to secure the marks. Okay, so we're talking about employment because that's an easy thing that you can kind of chat about. Okay, now the indicative content was any of these. Okay, so higher spending by individuals, more jobs, lower unemployment, individuals are able to purchase more expensive products, and etc. etc. Okay, now you could have also said that an economic boom will mean that individuals are better off, so they may choose to buy new furniture. So remember that you can always connect that to second chance the business. Okay, this will reduce the demand for repaired furniture. Okay, so secondhand furniture. That's actually a really good way of doing this. Okay, so if you feel like you've gotten 3 marks for this, then please award yourself the 3 marks. Okay, now question 24b, you basically could have written any of these, okay? And if you really wanted to go extra, you could have given examples of technological, legal issues and competitors. You don't really need to talk about this. Leave this. Don't worry about this one here, okay? Anything that has to do with legal, technological developments, that would have been fine, okay? Now, 25a. So your friend Tan offers to help you run